Hey guys, in today's video, I'm gonna do a full face of makeup using only Sugar Cosmetics products. So if you are interested, just keep on watching. I'm going to start with eyes first, and for that I'm using the Sugar foundation as I don't have a concealer with me. Using a small brush, I am cleaning the eyebrows and then evening out the eyelid area as well using the foundation. Also, this video is not sponsored by Sugar. I just received the products as PR and I wanted to share my honest opinion about them. Now for the eyes, I'm going to use the Blend the Rules eyeshadow palette in 03 Fantasy. I'm going to take this light nude shade as my transition shade using a fluffy brush. I like the formula of these eyeshadows, very beginner friendly as they are very easy to blend. The shadows blend very easily, they are not patchy and they don't even have any fallout. The shades are also great for most Indian skin tones. I'm using the darker shade to add depth and build some intensity on the outer corner. And the pigmentation is also good. Overall, I really like this palette and would definitely suggest it for beginners. Now I'm going to blend the darker shade with the same brush that I used to add the transition shade and try to make it as blended as possible. And after that, using a small pencil brush, I'm going to add the same darker shade but this time in a more concentrated way just on the outer corner. Now using a tapered brush, I'm going to add this pink shade as well. And now again I'm blending it using another clean brush. Now to highlight the center of the eyes, I am going to use this Contour the Force highlighter in Champagne Champion. This is a very budget friendly and a good quality highlighter. It's a champagne shade which glows beautifully. I'm going to use the same shade on my face later. Now I'm bringing back the pink which got a little bit faded away while I was applying the highlighter and blending. So I'm trying to bring the pop of pink back. Now before I start the face makeup, I'm going to clean the edges of my eye makeup using a brush and some micellar water. Coming to the face now, I'm going to use the Illuminating Moisturizer in Pink Dripping. So basically this product is a moisturizer with a little bit of highlighter in it. It comes very close to the strobe cream from MAC. It can be a great primer if you have normal to dry skin. Next, I'm going to use the Sugar Face Forward Primer Stick. This stick fills the pores and makes the skin matte. I have learned that the best way to use the primer is by just applying it with your fingers and not massaging or rubbing it. For the foundation, I'm using the Sugar Ace of Face Foundation Stick in 17 RAF. This is not my exact shade. I know it's a little bit yellow toned and I would prefer my foundation to be neutral toned. So this one is a little bit too yellow for me, but I somehow will make this work. It comes with a brush on the back and it is a good quality brush, so you can actually use it. It's a buildable foundation with medium coverage. It blends very easily, it's very creamy and you can see that in the video how easily it blends. It's really good for normal to dry skin. And I also like to use it as a concealer under my eyes using a small concealer brush. Now to contour, I'm using the Sugar Face Forward Contour Stick in Fawn First. This is my favorite cream contour stick. It's easy to blend and is really nicely pigmented. It comes very close to the Wet n Wild contour stick. I just wish they had a grey undertone to this rather than having a yellow or brown undertone, but it does the job and I love the formula. It's affordable and it will last you for years. I'm using this one since 2 years and I can still use it for 1 more year before it expires. I'm using the ProArt AF54 brush to blend it. It works well with a beauty blender as well. I will leave the links to all the products that I used in the description box, so in case you are interested. For blush, I'm using the Sugar Face Forward blush stick in Coral Climax. I really like the shade. It's a peachy bright shade, blends easily, nicely pigmented and looks very natural on the skin. It does not look cakey at all. I'm blending it using the same foundation brush. For highlighting, I'm using the Sugar Jelly highlighter in number 2 Peach Pioneer. So initially this highlighter was in liquid jelly form. With time it has become more solid, but the experience of using the highlighter has not changed. It adds a very natural glow to the face and it has a very little pink tint to it, which is not too chunky at all, and it makes your skin look very dewy and airbrushed. Now to set the face, I'm using the Sugar Translucent Powder. It's a really finely milled powder. It's great for beginners, it's easy to use and it sets the cream products really well. I wish to try the loose powder they have because I'm more of a loose powder person than compact, but I really prefer this one as well. It will mattify the skin and it comes with a puff and mirror, so it's really good on the go product as well. Now here I'm just finishing up the eye makeup, and for that I'm applying the same eyeshadows on my lower waterline as well. For the eyeliner, I'm using the Sugar Graphic Jam liner in Blackest Black. It's a jet black liner and I like that the tip of it is very thin, which makes it great for precise application. And the only thing I don't like is that the tip is not stiff. I really wish they had a stiff tip to it because that would be great for inner corners, and for the wing liner it would make the process a lot more easier. Also, the formula dries down very fast, so you will have to work really fast with it, and most of the times with wing liners you want to go slow. So yeah, that's a little bit tricky. I'm going to use the same Sugar mascara, and this one is in travel size and it was a little bit difficult to apply again, and it has become a little bit chunky as well. And now for the kohl, I'm using the Kohl of Honor Sugar Kohl pencil. This is a retractable kohl pencil which is really creamy and it really lasts for a long time. For the lipstick, I'm going to use the combination of both of these lipstick. This is in the shade Erin 10 and the another one is in the shade Deep Peach Mode, which is a peach shade, and this one is a red shade. So I'm going to apply the red shade only on the outer, like on the outer parts of my lips, and I'm going to apply the Deep Peach on the center of my lips. This gives a very ombre kind of an effect to the lips. And now lastly, to highlight, I'm going to use the same highlighter on the highest points of my face. I'm going to apply it on my cheeks, on my nose, and a little bit on my chin as well. It does not have chunky glitter in it, which makes your skin look glittery. It makes your skin just look healthy and glowy, just like your skin is naturally glowing. And yeah, with this we are done with this tutorial. I hope you guys like this look. I think it's great look if you want to wear it at the night time. It makes your skin look good, and I really like Sugar Cosmetics products. So yeah, overall they are good products and very affordable, definitely good for beginners. And yeah, with that said, thank you so much for watching this video and I'll see you next time. Bye.